Imagine waking up, opening your laptop, copying a few lines of text, pasting them where you're told, and getting paid up to $500 a day for it. Sounds impossible, right? But the truth is, copy-paste jobs are real, and people around the world are already using them to create full-time incomes from home. No fancy skills, no expensive tools, just a simple process and a bit of consistency. In this video, I'll show you 10 proven ways to make money online just by copying and pasting content. These are not scams or shortcuts. They're actual methods used by freelancers, digital marketers, and content creators every day. If you're serious about earning real money online, stick around till the end, because number one is something almost nobody talks about, and it's the most profitable one yet. 10th, copy-paste job posts on freelance websites. Let's start with the most beginner-friendly method, posting job ads for other people. On platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com, some clients will pay you just to copy a job listing or service description and post it across different classified ad websites. This is a common task for small businesses or digital agencies who want to promote their services quickly. You might be asked to copy a sales description and paste it to websites like Craigslist, Indeed, Kijiji, or even Facebook groups. Each completed posting task can pay anywhere from $5 to $20, and many freelancers complete 10 to 15 of these jobs per day. The demand is consistent, especially if you can handle bulk orders. If you dedicate a few hours each day, you could easily reach $150 to $200 just from posting ads. 9. Affiliate marketing with copy-paste product descriptions. This one takes a little more strategy, but it has the highest income potential. Affiliate marketing means promoting products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. The good news is, you don't have to write anything. Most affiliate programs provide ready-made descriptions, titles, and even photos. You simply copy and paste them into your blog, Pinterest post, or social media page. Sites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Digistore24 make it easy. Find a product you like, copy the promotional material, and share it with your audience. People are making $500+ a day doing this by using TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Even if you have 0 followers, you can post in niche Facebook groups or forums with high traffic. Once your links start getting clicks, the commissions start adding up, and many products pay up to 75% in commission. 8. Copy-paste comments for social media engagement. Believe it or not, brands and influencers will pay you to boost engagement on their posts. This includes liking, commenting, and replying with pre-written messages. You're not expected to write anything original. Just copy and paste their approved comments to make their posts look more active. This strategy is widely used by marketing agencies to improve visibility and rankings on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. You can find gigs like this on platforms like Microworkers, Rapid Workers, and even Reddit's r/slave labor subreddit. A single client might pay you $1 to $2 per post, and if you're working with 20 clients a day, that's a quick $100 or more. It's repetitive but easy, and you can do it while watching TV or listening to music. 7. Transcription with pre-formatted templates. Transcription usually sounds hard, but not when you're using templates. Some companies like Rev and Go Transcript have audio clips where 80% of the content is already auto-transcribed by AI. Your job: copy the provided text, paste it into their template, and fix minor errors. It's mostly editing, not typing. For basic transcription work, you can earn around $1 per audio minute. 10 short clips per day can easily bring in $100, especially if you're fast. Some platforms even allow you to paste text into tools like Grammarly to correct grammar mistakes automatically. It's one of the easiest ways to earn money without needing to write anything from scratch. 6. Data entry jobs on remote work sites. Data entry might sound boring, but it often involves copying names, emails, or figures from one spreadsheet to another. That's it. Websites like ClickWorker, Remote.co, and SmartCrowd often have listings for these simple data jobs. Some companies need people to copy data from PDF files into Excel or from emails into a CRM system. Each task might only take 10 to 15 minutes, but the pay adds up quickly, especially if you're doing dozens in a day. Many data entry jobs pay between $5 to $15 per task. Combine that with a few other methods, and you're easily looking at $300 to $500 per day if you're consistent and work efficiently. Fifth, Facebook group management, copying and posting content. There's a big opportunity hiding in Facebook groups. Group owners, especially those with over 10,000 members, often hire virtual assistants to help keep the community active. Your job: copy the content they send you, motivational quotes, links, or announcements, and paste it into the group at scheduled times. That's it. You can get paid weekly or per post. Many virtual assistants earn $100 to $200 per client, and managing multiple groups can push your earnings even higher. These jobs are usually posted on Upwork, onlinejobs.ph, or even inside the Facebook groups themselves. It's steady work and doesn't require you to be creative, just reliable. 4. Blog commenting for SEO, copy and paste replies. SEO companies hire people to comment on blogs for backlink building. They provide the comment text. Third, email support jobs with canned responses. Customer support sounds intense, but not when you're just copy-pasting replies. Many startups and e-commerce stores provide their support agents with canned responses, ready-made answers for common questions. Second, YouTube script uploading, copying content into YouTube. This one is perfect for virtual assistants. Many YouTubers outsource the task of uploading their scripts, titles, and descriptions. Your task is to copy the video title, paste it into YouTube's dashboard, copy the script into the description, and schedule the post. 1. Copy-pasting to Canva for digital products. This is hands down one of the most profitable methods out there. People are making hundreds per day just by copying quotes, tips, or educational content into Canva templates to create ebooks, worksheets, or social media packs. You don't need design skills, just basic knowledge of Canva, which is free to use. Once you create the digital product, you can sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market. Some creators make $1,000 a week selling simple Canva designs filled with motivational quotes they copied from public websites. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow guides like this one.